I am Terry, and this is
Carlos.
Carlos. And we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about the Schlage CO200. Carlos installs lots and lots of these. They're a fantastic system. We absolutely love it. Again, it all depends upon the client, what's best for them. So we have our favorite access control and our standalone. This is a great system. So Carlos is the expert on this. He's installed tons. And here it is. We're just going to box it. This is the Schlage, the CO200.
I'm really a lover of access control standalone systems because it provides a very inexpensive solution for clients who already have multiple offices, which need sometimes by law. Okay, it's
or by contract. We have a lot of customers who need ultra high security with the tracking feature. It's a requirement of their contracts. So
that's correct.
This is the system that we're putting in at the very high-end customers. Because of various contracts they have, they need this system.
That's correct. And the fastest and more affordable solution for those buildings or for those premises which they are not hardwired in order to receive electric strikes, which is very expensive. Not only the, the wiring system, like big companies that they provide you everything, the control panel, the software, and everything in order to control and manage all these things. This is very expensive. This solution is standalone, so that means that every single lock retains the database of the users, credentials, scheduling, and everything. That's the beauty of lock. Okay.
Now this system, getting back to the electric strikes, geez, you could make a fortune if all you did was install electric strikes all day long for all the alarm companies and everybody else out there. I hate electric strikes. I hate installing them. You don't like installing them anymore.
I like it. I do those. Yes, still.
Okay, we'll give you a bunch to do next week.
Yeah.
This CO200. Oops.
Yeah. Go ahead.
So this one is proximity as well as pin pad.
Right. There are other options which is flat. This one is only by prox, but here you have the capability of using prox only, keypad only, or both at the same time as a backup security measure, right? So this is battery powered, of course, and no wires. Everything is locked in the, it's cylindrical, option cylindrical. Everything, as I said, can be done from here. Now, this is a more affordable option like the ePlex wireless Cava system. Why? Because this is not wireless, so you cannot communicate wireless with this standalone lock. You have to come one by one of the locks and provides the information. You upload the information from your computer when you have your database, then you bring with, I forgot to bring the handheld unit, which is the bridge between the computer and the lock. So you connect to here, okay, and transfer all the information to the lock. Same way, in order to get the information for audit trial, you have to come with the handheld, connect, bring the information to the handheld unit, and bring to the computer in order to see the audit trial. Mm-hmm.
So that's the great thing is it's heavy duty, it lasts forever, the batteries are great. The downfall is it's not a wireless connection, so you have to do it with the handheld, and it has the ability of a wired system too, isn't it?
There is another option which has antenna. You can connect that. The beauty of this is you can upgrade your existing CO200 system, which is standalone. Okay, you can connect the antenna, upgrade that one, and make it capable to do wireless as well.
What I love about this system is you buy the base unit, you can add on the modules you need. Also, if the customer down the road decides they want to go prox or magnetic or add a pin pad, keypad, you can change it. So it's all the basics structure is here. Then we just can add on options as we grow the system. It's a great system to put in one door. You got one system now, 40 doors?
40 doors. Now
40
the
doors.
beauty of this is that this client, very important client for me, is going to move to a different location. I have to remove all of them and put in the new building. So they're very happy that the investment they have done is not lost.
They don't have to leave it behind.
Of course.
Now the great thing is too, is the jig. You can get a jig from Major Tools. Has a jig because it does require quite a bit of holes when you're drilling the door. The jig makes life super easy. I don't have one here. Do you have one yet?
No, honestly, I don't need that
you don't
because
need-
it comes with the template. It's very, very easy to install once you have this experience.
Yes.
Of course, the first one always is a headache.
The first one I did was 2 hours.
Yeah, exactly.
I can do it in half an hour now, but the
Me
first
too.
one was 2 hours. It's about half an hour now,
Half an
but
hour, yeah.
I think I want to get the jig. It's
It's not something that it's another toy that Terry loves.
I
toys.
love the toys, but I like time savers. And you
That's
can
right.
you can spend the 2 hours putting in your first one, put a jig on it, and that really solves a lot of the problem. Heavy duty.
Heavy duty.
Lots of parts.
Yeah.
Schlage, Schlage, whatever you want to call it, or
Weatherproof.
Ingersoll Rand.
Yeah.
It's outdoors. You can put it extended, an extra extended battery pack. I've always recommended this. I don't like using lithium batteries. What do they? I always like alkaline.
No, it's alkaline. If you
Alkaline.
use lithium, you destroy
Yeah,
the system.
yeah, and the thing is, a lot of times the customers think they can put a lithium battery in an access control system or their safes or whatever. Here's the big problem with lithium. When the battery goes down, the unit will give a beep. The problem is, and we all hear our smoke detectors, beep, and then a couple of minutes later, a half hour later, beep, and you hear beep. It drives you insane over days or weeks. Lithium will give you one warning, low battery, beep, and then after that, beep, no more warning. So lithium keeps solid strength and just dies. The alkaline will slowly die, but they warn you that they're dying. And that's the big problem on access control or your safes or even your smoke detector. I like alkalines, and they have the extend. This has, out of the box, how many AA batteries on this one? Four, and I know the extended pack, I think, is at least 8 or more. It's quite bulky, but when you get some far out places, at a distance, or you just are outdoors. Plus, I do find no matter what anybody says, if it's 60 below zero, the batteries have a shorter life. So the 8-pack, the extended pack on this is good for really cold weather doors. It's weatherized, so it's good for outdoors. Love this system. We got lots out there. It's a no-brainer for when you have a client that needs high security, they need audit trail, and there's government standards or certain standards they have to comply with as part of their contract. So it could be military, defense, or just some of the high-tech companies. This is a great system.
Basically commercial, not residential. We don't recommend it residentially because it's
We have put them on residential.
Well, we have residential
We have
options
residential
as well. Very powerful, yeah.
But there's other things I prefer for residential. Stand by for more videos on probably my most favorite for residential, light commercial. Again, this is for commercial grade. It's fantastic. We love it. We install lots. And they have the CO100. This is the CO200, gives us more options. And again, everything's interchangeable. Parts, we don't really go through parts on these things, but at least you have parts and easy to get off your suppliers. And again, great company, good product, love it.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.